Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the online portal. Listen carefully now. Today we are doing geography. We are on lesson agriculture. And in our previous class we have talked about sugarcane, that is a food crop other than grains, other than cereals. So we are talking about food crops other than food grains. So oil seeds. So as I have told you, in our previous class we have talked about sugarcane, and today we will talk about oil seeds. Now, India is the largest. There are altogether 8 points. India is the largest producer of oil seeds. Different oil seeds are grown. Different types of oil seeds are grown, covering almost 12% of the total production or cropped area of the country. The area which is being cropped, among them 12% is provided for growing oil seeds, and India is the largest producer of oil seeds. Various type of oil seeds are grown here in India, in the northern India as well as towards the southern India. So now here, number 2, the main oil seeds produced in India are, there are a number of: groundnut, main, mustard, coconut, sesame, that is til, soybean, castor seeds, cotton seeds, linseed and sunflower. These are the oil seeds grown in India, spread all over India. It's grown all over India. Most of these are eatable. Most of them can be eaten, or it is a medium of cooking. Most of these are eatable and are used as cooking mediums. They are used as cooking mediums. But some of these are also used as raw material in the production of soaps, cosmetics and ointments for medicines. So you can see there, these oil seeds has got a number of uses. First, cooking medium. Second, production of soaps and cosmetics, as well as ointments. Ointment, you know, that is a medicine applied in the wounds and so on. Groundnut accounts for about half of the major oil seed produced in the country as kharif crop. So groundnut is the major food crop oil seed produced in the country. So accounts for about half of the major oil seeds produced in the country. About half of the oil seeds is produced as groundnuts, and then the remaining oil seeds accounts for 50%. So 50% oil seeds is groundnut, and the remaining 50% is are other oil seeds. So you can see that largest producer of groundnut, since groundnut is, farmers grow maximum groundnuts, oil seeds. So we'll talk about groundnut now. Largest producer of groundnuts are the states. Various states produce groundnuts, such as Andhra Pradesh, largest producer of groundnuts. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. There are how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. 5 states produce groundnuts, and farmers, they grow this and they sell it in the market or towards to the factories for producing oil, edible oil. So now mustard seed is the second we use as eatable. In the northern India we use mustard. In the southern India they use coconut oil or groundnut oil. Mustard and linseed are rabi crops. Mustard we use as edible oil, and it is a rabi crop. It grows in winter. Sesame, that is a til, is a kharif crop in the north. In the northern India, sesame is grown as kharif crop, and in the southern India it is grown as rabi crops. Castor seed is grown as Kharif and Rabi crops. Castor seed can be grown in both Rabi and Kharif crop. In both this season, castor seed is grown. So now this is all about oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds, and among them, groundnut is the major oil seed produced in our country, and the remaining are other such as coconut, mustard, sesame, soybean, castor seed, bean seed, sunflower, and other oil seeds are also produced. And since groundnut is produced in bulk, and we are studying about Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra are the largest producer of groundnuts, and in different seasons it is grown. Mustard and linseed are grown as rabi crops. Sesame is a kharif crop in the north and rabi crop in the south, and castor can be grown in both the seasons. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and we'll study about the tea, the commercial crop, cash crops, tea. So we'll talk about. That's also a food crop, but apart from food grains. Tea is a beverage crop used as drinks. So refreshing drinks. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Thank you for watching the videos and being with me in this class. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class.